This is by far the most bizarre thing I've come across. What if every electron in the universe, in your phone, in your bones, in the sun, in everything, is not just identical? It is literally the same one electron, one everywhere at the same time. This is day 35 of learning something new with me. Every electron in the universe is identical. And I don't mean similar. I mean perfectly identical. Same mass, same charge, same spin, every single one, no variation, zero. Now in physics, that is weird, because why would nature make trillions and trillions of electrons and not have even the smallest difference between them? Even twins have differences, but electrons, perfect copies always. Now this question bugged a lot of physicists. So a physicist named John Wheeler picks up his telephone and calls his student, Richard Feynman. Now Feynman is not just any student. He later wins the Nobel Prize, one of the greatest scientific minds in history. And Wheeler tells him something on that call that sounds absolutely unhinged. He says, I know why all electrons are identical. They are not copies. There's only one electron in the entire universe. And Feynman goes, what are you talking about? Wheeler explains, imagine a single electron starts at the beginning of time. It moves forward through time like normal. It shows up here on Earth in your body. It shows up in your phone. It shows up in a star a billion light years away. But then at some point, it stops and it turns around and it starts moving backward through time. Okay, now when a particle moves backward through time, it doesn't behave like a normal particle anymore. Its charge reverses. So an electron moving backward through time looks exactly like a positron. That's the antimatter version of an electron. Same mass, opposite charge. Now the same particle is moving backward through time as a positron. It reaches another point, turns around again, moves forward, and now it's an electron again. Forward electron, backward positron. Over and over billions and billions of times. Now imagine this single particle's path through time. It's like a thread. So going forward, going backward, forward, backward, weaving through in the entire history of the universe. And every time this thread crosses the present moment, which is right now, we see it as a separate particle. So what we think are trillions of different electrons. According to Wheeler, it's just the same particle crossing the present moment trillions of times. You and a star across the galaxy are literally sharing the same electron, just at different moments of its journey through time. Now Feynman heard all this and said, okay, that is beautiful, but there's a big problem. If every forward pass is an electron and every backward pass is a positron, then there should be an equal number of electrons and positrons in the universe. But there isn't. There's way more matter than antimatter in the observable universe. And nobody has been able to explain where the missing antimatter went. So this theory, called the one-electron universe postulate, was never proven. It remains a hypothesis. Follow for day 36.